Meaning of grumble.
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 Grumble. The word grumble is a verb that means to complain or express dissatisfaction in a low, muttering voice. It can also refer to a continuous low, rumbling sound. When someone grumbles, they are usually expressing their frustration, annoyance, or dissatisfaction with a situation, person, or thing. This may be due to the perception that something is unfair, inadequate, or undesirable. Grumbling can create a negative atmosphere and lead to further problems if not addressed. It is important to communicate openly and constructively in order to resolve underlying issues and improve relationships.